Hello, thank you for always being on my channel. This time I will discuss the pentatonic form, namely pattern 3-1-3-3-1-3. What this means by pattern 3-1-3-3-1-3? This means we play 3 notes on the 6th string, 1 note on the 5th strings, 3 notes on the 4th string, 3 notes on the 3rd string, 1 note on the 2nd string, and we play 3 notes on the 1st string. All of them come from the pentatonic scale of the key of A minor or C major. Okay, to be clearer, let me start practicing. Okay, the first 3 notes on the 6th string, and then 1 note on the 5th string, 3 notes on the 4th string, 3 notes again on the 3rd string, 1 note on the 2nd string, and then 3 notes on the 1st string. So and backward. Okay, we need to pay attention to the fingering, that on the 6th string we use the index finger, middle finger, and little finger. Index finger, middle finger, and little finger. On the 5th string we use the middle finger. On the 4th string we use index finger, middle finger, and little finger. Okay. On the 3rd string we use the index finger, middle finger, and little finger. On the 2nd string we use ring finger, and on the 1st string we use index finger, middle finger, and little finger. Okay, for this fingering, never make mistakes. We have to practice discipline for this fingering. Okay, now as usual we practice using the backing track that I made. Okay, let's go.